What's up, Vibers? Here his friend Ron today in building 13 mobile apps. During 30 days, today we are gonna create a following application. Probably it's not going to be the similar, but this is a fitness course app. For example, let me give you a use case of this app. For example, you are an influencer that have, I don't know, 100,000 of followers on Instagram. You have practically a community, so you can monetize this building an application to upload private courses, private workout, what you're seeing, and you can sell this application to your followers. A really great way to monetize your audience with recurrent payments and all the stuff like that. Before to start, guys, I wanna give disclaimers. Is this is about I'm going to start at new position at my current job because I need something to make a live. So that it means probably I won't stop this channel because I love it. I really like it a lot. But instead of upload a video daily, probably I'm saying probably, I will upload a video each 2 or 3 days, or maybe weekly, depending on how big is going to be this workload. So this is a disclaimer. It is something you need to have in mind. Probably it's not going to be a video daily, but I promise you guys, how is 2 or 3 days, I'm going to try to give you better videos, better applications, better templates, and make something better because it's going to take a bit more time and just where you comprehend the situation. So come on. To start, first of all, I'm gonna go to the dashboard. Remember, all the materials to build this application is gonna be in the link below. Go to the copy and paste zone. Copy this following prompt into your lovable chat. Very easy. Right. Go here to the inspiration photos. Copy the image, paste directly to lovable. Perfect. Right. And the last one. Copy this following image. And it's time to wait. Meanwhile, we are waiting. I'm gonna try to make this step further for these following videos because I'm making a lot of cuts. But meanwhile I'm waiting, I'm gonna keep ahead creating the icon. Yeah, I'm gonna create the icon just to save time and try to make these videos a bit faster because I know the third one was around 20-25 minutes and I want to create short videos, very digestible tutorials for my dear bikers. So right now I'm gonna create remember this step, never forget this. Recraft icon, apply, perfect. 101, UI icon, mobile app designed for a fitness workout. Add a dumbbell inside of this app. Perfect. Time to recraft. No worries if your lovable freeze out with this prompt because it's very long, because remember we are only using free tier option to build this application. So if lovable crash out, just start again. No worries about that. No, I don't like the UI icon mobile app icon. UI icon mobile app design. No, I don't like it. I don't like this one. Add a dumbbell inside. No, UI icon. I'm gonna remove the mobile. Just leave UI icon app design for a fitness workout application. Inside of the app icon. Add a dumbbell as the main icon. Perfect. Just trying to wait a bit. Alright, this could be work, or this one. No, this one, like this one, but yeah, I like this one, for example. Alright, export as PNG. Alright, 30 days. Day 7. Oh, guys, today is the day number 7. That's awesome. A week creating mobile apps. To be honest, this is a dream to me because I always wanted to create mobile app application, but the coding is so hard. So the coding journey is so long and so hard to reach the point to build full stack applications. So we have this one, perfect. It's not ready yet. I'm gonna make a quick cut. Mingle are waiting, so no worry, guys. Or let's open Median Code. Yeah, Median Code. I'm gonna open this. Remember, Median Code is to turn your web app into a mobile app. In this my case for Android. Currently, I have no iPhone to create the tutorial, but in the future, remember, I promise you to bring that tutorial to your for all my iOS friends. All right. Go to media.co, create a new account, create a new app. I'm gonna leave pre-charge this website. Alright, let me check. Perfect. This is working. So guys, I'm gonna make a quick cut. Alright guys, we have the application created here. Try to create the same on the example. I don't know why. So the next step is go again. This is only for demo purposes. We are gonna use this prompt and a few videos from YouTube to put inside of mobile application. Alright. Send. Perfect. And now it's time to wait. Perfect guys. We have the application. How you can see here. This is the video. So that we already load. Probably this application is finally created. Remember, this is only a demo. If I would like to create a bigger application, obviously I need more than 5 messages to connect to Supabase, data users, but for this demo works very well. Even you can send this demo to any creator, fitness influencer, and offer to build a completely app only with this demo. So remember, the next step is publish or app. Publish or application. Right, just wait a bit more. Let's workout. I got everything here. So guys, remember, you can leave me a few ideas that you would like that I create in the next days for this challenge. So we have the application, perfect. This is the link, the web app, perfect. Copy this, go here, training hook, perfect. Onboarding. Alright. Training hook, let's start building my application. Alright. Let's wait a bit more. Remember that we have already created. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. Alright, perfect. We have practically all set up for application. Alright, save changes. Perfect. Alright, just wait a bit more. Great. Now go here, download for Android. Build all the binaries and build the APK. Right, guys, meanwhile you are waiting, I'm gonna start looking for the other phone to start recording. Alright guys, we are here. I'm gonna install the application on my device. Perfect. Just give me a few seconds to install the application to test it that is responsive. Is there a few bugs? Perfect. Right. Now open this. Install this. Just a few steps more. The analogy Google Play protection. Alright. Now the application is installed. Let's open this. Alright. Perfect. Let me check this. Right. Try to progress. Is to do like page on the community. So English, perfect. Right. It's in a bottom. Remember, this is only a demo. It's done, guys. We have the application here, all the capabilities. Perfect. Now I guess it's already practically created for application. As you can see, this is the video that we previously loaded, and practically that will be all for this tutorial. So guys, if you like this tutorial, remember you can leave a like, comment, support me. Remember, all the prompts, researches is gonna be in the link below. And if you want to download, sorry for that, if you want to download all my templates, just go to the VibeMarket, that is my personal website, when you can download all the templates of this series. So guys, remember, keep building, keep creating, keep believing in you.